Yeah, shout out to Phaser. Thanks for the shirt. Yeah, these are awesome. I said I'd use it in my video. I am.
20 minutes later.
I found it! There, put your arms through. Put your arms through. Put your belly up. Put your belly up. It helps to have little people.
Twenty minutes later.
Oh. I don't know what's wrong. I keep losing reception. The aerials are still plugged in. Well, YouTube, I smashed my Foxeer Falkor. I've also smashed the aluminium part that goes along underneath the camera to protect it. And I smashed the top screen on my GoPro. But at least the lens and everything else is still working. I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to put out another video because I've got to wait for all these parts. I need a new flight controller too. I've broken an arm. Yeah, I have not had a good day at all. I've just had the shittiest flying day. Just kept broke everything. Yeah, see you in a month. Cheers.